Welcome to Quiz Whale, the ultimate destination for fun and brainy quizzes. Today, we're spreading our wings with Guess the Bird by Image. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss a brain-boosting challenge from Quiz Whale. This colourful bird can mimic your voice and loves tropical places. It's a parrot. It can't fly, but it swims like a champ in icy waters. It's a penguin! This bird is wise, nocturnal, and says "hoo!" It's an owl! Known for its vibrant, fan-like tail, what's this majestic bird? It's a peacock! A symbol of power, with sharp eyes and soaring flight. It's an eagle! This pink-legged beauty is famous for standing on one leg. It's a flamingo! A symbol of peace and love, often white and gentle. It's a dove! Black feathers, loud caws, and clever tricks. Name this bird. It's a crow! Small, chirpy, and seen in cities and gardens around the world. It's a sparrow! This bird hammers on trees with its beak. Who is it? It's a woodpecker! This tropical bird has a giant, colourful beak. What's its name? It's a toucan! Bidoo! It's tiny, fast, and can hover mid-air with rapid wing beats. It's a hummingbird! With bright blue feathers and a love for diving. Guess this bird! It's a kingfisher! A large parrot from the rainforest, loud, bright and beautiful. It's a macaw! Flightless and fluffy. This rare bird is a national symbol of New Zealand. It's a kiwi. Looks prehistoric and has a shoe-shaped beak. What is it? It's a shoebill stork. This long-legged predator hunts snakes on foot. Name it. It's a secretary bird. It's famous for mimicking sounds, even chainsaws and camera clicks. It's a lyrebird. A large, flightless, dinosaur-like bird. Beautiful but dangerous. It's a cassowary. Striped wings and a funky crown of feathers. Who is this? It's a hoopoe! And that's it. How many did you get right out of 20? Comment below your score. We love seeing your answers. If you enjoyed this, give us a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Quiz Whale. Thanks for playing. We'll catch you in the next one.